everyone, it's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using this Barbie silicone mold. I will leave a link right above here so you can go check out the video of where I purchased it from if you're interested. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is Recollections in the color Hot Pink. I got this at Michael's. And now I'm using Recollections Fairy, which is like my favorite purple glitter so far. Alright, so as you can see, this mold has like 2 layers to it, and I want to do 2 colors, one color on each layer. So I'm having to use my makeup spatulas so I can be a little bit more precise with actually pouring this resin. Because the first layer I need it to be obviously this purple, and I don't want the resin to go all over the place. So I'm just using these little spatulas for a little bit more precision. So this part of the project actually took a lot of patience. As you can see, I did have to speed the video up because just using this little spatula here and trying to put the resin into the little crevices took quite a while. Plus, like I said, I was trying to be really precise. I didn't want to have too much cleanup, and I just wanted it to be really precise. So definitely take your time when you're doing it. Alright, so we let that first layer dry completely. This is the next day, and I'm going to go in and do the back layer now, which I'll just pour on there. This doesn't require any precision on this part. And the glitter, the black glitter that I'm using is actually called Black, and it's from Hobby Lobby. empty molds. Let's see how they turned out. All right, so as you notice, the purple glitter didn't really show up as well as I would have liked for it to. So I'm going to show you in the next clip what I did to make that color pop. The black one came out really pretty. I like it a lot, but I decided not to use it for this project. Bam! So as you can see, I decided to use some acrylic paint. What you saw just now was just the first coat. I'm going in with a second coat just to make sure that there are no streak marks or anything like that, and that the color is really solid on the front. It looks so much better, doesn't it? These on my local beauty supply store, they were only $1. So I'm going to be adding the Barbie to the earrings. So using E6000 to glue them on, and you can just watch me do the rest. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished product. I have myself a cute pair of Barbie earrings. Of course, they are up for grabs if you're interested. You can hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you're interested in purchasing a pair. I'm also looking to do another set of earrings, but maybe personalized this time. I've been looking at some different videos and I've got an idea on how to make some earrings, but personalized this time. So let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in seeing something like that. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, check out some of my other videos here on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!